Okay, we're gonna do a little grinding on an aluminum this morning. There, I just did the beginning rough grind on this aluminum. Now I've got to take the other sander or grinder and get the powder coating off on both sides. I got clean metal. And then I will go back and weld what's missing here. You can see a little better. All three of the tips were broken off. The rest of the blades really weren't bent too bad. So anyway, see both sides. Like I say, now I'll take a grinder and grind all this powder coat off, so I got a clean surface to weld on. But that's about it for this step.